tonight, they are the first ones to die. Do I make myself clear?
Sir, yes, sir.
If they're wearing blue powder shirts, the children always die first. Is that clear?
Sir, yes, sir.
Port out!
1, 2.
Eddies, gentlemen, eddies! Destruction, terror, and mayhem. Look around, gentlemen. They are not treating you seriously. They are taking pictures of you. They think that this is a joke. And that is a bad idea. That is on par with Michael Vick Appreciation Day at the ASPCA. This is not tolerable. Do you understand?
Sir, yes, sir.
Terror! On off! Ready! Kill! Holding on to that hand is not going to save you, man. Please hold the shield right in the out in the street, gentlemen. I want to see it pouring down like water. Holding on to your man into the saving this. He does not care for you that much. If it comes down to you and him, it will be him.
This would be a great way to kill somebody.
There should be terror inside. We are looking for. Standing on the sidewalk ain't gonna help you. If there's nothing we hate more in the turquoise blue shirts. That's right, buddy, I'm talking to you. Two-Face just jumped like a little girl. Look at that. Ought to rename you Sissy Hit Me in the Face. Look at that. Why do they kill? And you jump like a little girl, sir. There should be blood in the streets, gentlemen. I want to see terror in their eyes before you decapitate them. Don't open your mouth, You don't need the map, sir. It's a circle. You can't figure it out. There's deeper in.